What's up, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek, and today's case study is going to be a janitor company, and we're going to take March 1st to March 31st, 2020, and kind of show you what we got going on here. Now, keep in mind these numbers might be a little off because of the COVID-19 outbreak that happened in March, so people might have slowed down. It could have been better. I think it should have been better. Still a great conversion rate, 24%, but I would have liked to see that over 30 for janitor. But we take what we can get. So let's jump right into it. $100 a day budget, very good for commercial cleaning, janitor stuff. Impressions, 2,200 impressions in that 31 days, 94 clicks, 4.1% click-through rate. Average cost per click was $23. Total spend for that month was $2,100. Total conversions were 23. Cost per conversion, $95, and a conversion rate of 24%. So these numbers look pretty good to me for janitorial stuff, for the simple fact that these leads are extremely high quality, and the jobs, when they get booked for the janitorial stuff, is recurring weekly, sometimes even daily jobs and revenue for the client. So that's huge. And it's important to keep into context when you're looking at lead volume for these types of industries. If they're recurring or if they're one-off payments, stuff like that. Conversion rate, 24%. I'm extremely happy with that. Right on point between 20 and 25 that we shoot for. So that's pretty good. Cost per conversion, 95. I would like to see that a little lower. Maybe closer to 60 or 70, but you know, the times are a little different right now. This guy is definitely limited by budget. You can see that here, $100 a day. He could have easily doubled his budget and got a lot more leads. So that's something to keep into consideration when you're building these campaigns out and you're seeing results like this. Like, you may look at this and be like, wow, this is great, you know. But if the guy just invested more, he would get a ton more leads. And that's important to understand. Now, the keywords are all janitorial services, janitor service in city name, janitor service in zip code, commercial cleaning in zip code, stuff like that. So it's all basically hovered around janitorial and commercial cleaning. So this thing's dialed in pretty good. All he's really got to do is up his budget and he'll just get more leads at this point. The landing page is very simple. It's all about call to actions to call for a free estimate for their janitorial project. Contact form was name, email, phone, type of business you are, which could be anything from like medical office, large scale building, gyms, restaurants, stuff like that. It could be we have a huge list of stuff, and that's pretty much it for this guy. I don't really have much else. It's kind of self-explanatory, but the best thing I could say would be start out with $100 a day budget if you can in the commercial cleaning niche, and when you start getting results like this, just start upping your budget incrementally to maybe $25 a day, something like that. I mean, $25. Like 1 week do 125, the next week do 150, like that, and just kind of find your sweet spot where you're increasing your leads, keeping your cost per conversion the same, and keeping your conversion rate the same. So if you're interested in us running this type of janitorial cleaning campaign for your company or for one of your clients, just reach out today and we can talk about deploying this to your location. Check out the links in the description below this video. I put some stuff in there for you guys. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.